Hello and welcome to the Prakashan Academy. I am Priyanka and today we are learning unit number 2.1 words. What is words? Words is nothing but the collections of letters that has the meaningful meanings. What is the classification? Classification means grouping of similar items together. Classification means grouping the similar groups together helps to understand and organize the things. In an example, we identify the odd one out. In this whole lesson, we will find out the one out by doing classification. Where is classification used? Classification used in various things. Classify can be we can classify foods based and vegetables, metals, colors, animals or birds. Occupation. What is the occupation of anybody? Engineering, engineer, teacher, day, months, vehicle, tools. These are the sum of the things that can be classified, and there are the multiple things, but we are going to discuss only this, which is the odd one out. We have to find a thing that is odd one out. Option A flower, option B fruit, option C leaf, option D village. Which do you think is a odd one out? Option I think village because I have a reason. All of these three flower, fruit, and leaf are the part of a tree, but other only village is not a part of a tree. That means village is odd one out and it is not classified into one group. Let's move on to next slide. Tips to solve the classification question. To solve any question based on this, read all the options carefully. Look for the three items that can be classified into similar category. Then find one that different that cannot able to you say, consider into a category you made and use logic and observation to find out the odd one out. This is other tips and tricks for you. Let's solve some MCQ based on the odd one out to find out the different one. First, A bark, B roar, C meow, D fly. Which do you think is not classified into same group or same category? Bark, roar, meow, or fly? I think fly is not category into the same thing because all the are animal sounds. Bark, dog करते हैं, roar, lions, tigers, meow, animal sound of a cat, and fly is not the sound of a cat. That means option D, fly is a odd one out. Again, next question. Cook, waiter, chef, and doctor. Here also we have to find out the odd one out. Which is the odd one out? Cook, waiter, chef, or doctor? There are the three similar things as you can clearly see. There is only one different thing in this option. Option D is a difference because as you can see cook, chef and waiter are used or they are the related of food services. Chef makes the and cook wait cook means cooking, and a waiter serves the food, and a chef makes the food. That related to food services. There is only doctor is not related to food services. That means doctor is odd one out. Again, next question. Option A keyboard. Option B mouse. C pen. D monitor. Which one is the odd one out? As you can see, option A keyboard, B mouse, and D monitor are the parts of a computers or the computer accessories. It is are the computer accessories, but pen is not the computer accessory. That means option C is the odd one out. Let's have few another questions. Mercury, Venus, Earth, the Moon. Which do you think the odd one out? And can you guess or the logic behind this? As you can see, Mercury, Venus, and Earth are the planets, but Moon is not a planet. It is a satellite. Moon is a satellite of Earth. Remember this. And others are the planets. That means all are grouped or classified into planets, but Moon is a satellite. And option D is the odd one out. And the next question, guitar, violin, flute, or drum. Which do you think the find odd one out? Option D is the odd one out. As you can see, guitar. If I talk about guitar, guitar has the strings. All are the instrument of a music, but guitar has the strings to make the music. Or the violin also has the string, and the flute also has the string. But drum is the only music instrument that does not have the strings. Because of this, drum is the correct answer. Next question. Option A cow, B goat, C horse, D tiger. Which do you think is a find the odd one out? Cow, goat, horse, or tiger? Can you guess which is the odd one out from this cow, goat, horse, or tiger? As you can see in this, all only tiger is a wild animal, but but cow, goat, and horse are the domestic animal. What is the domestic animals? Animals that has been selectively bred and adapted over generation to live alongside humans, typically for foods and work or the food. work and all cow are useful for the human beings in the farm. Goat is also used for milk in lot of things. Horse also used in shadi. And tigers is the only one that is a wild animal that is not live with a human and not able to live with a human. That's why tiger is the correct answer. Again, next MCQs. Water, ice, stream, petrol. Which do you think is a which do you think is a odd one out from this option? Water, ice, or stream, or petrol? As you can see, petrol is the only thing is not the form of water. It is a separate thing. It is made by using some chemicals or also extract from the mining. That's because option D is the correct answer. Water is a water and the ice. Ice is a form of water. It is the we can say after freeze the water ice become and after boil the water steams make becomes. That's because all these are the forms of a water. Only petrol is not a forms of water. Next MCQ option A red, B blue, C green, D circle. Which do you find the odd one out? This is very easy because red, blue, green, these three are color, but circle is the only one that is a shape, but all these are color. Let's talk about knife, knife, hammer, screwdriver, pillow. Which do you think is the odd one out? It is also a simple question. Knife, hammer, screwdriver, or pillow. As you can see, knife are used for the cutting any vegetable or also there is a lot type of knife also used in used as a tools. Hammer is also used as a tool. Screwdriver is used in various places as a tools, but pillow is the only thing is not a tool and are not used as a tool to fix anything or the do something. That means and that means option D pillow is a odd one out. Again, next MCQ option A Asia, option B Africa, option C Australia, option D Russia. Which do you think is the odd one out? Asia, Africa, Australia, or Russia? Which is the correct option? Find the odd one out. Do you know what is a continent or there are the seven continents in the world? Seven continents are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. As you can see in this MCQ, Asia, Africa, Australia are the continent, but Russia are the only one is not the continent. It is a country in Asia. Next MCQ. Option A mango, B apple, C carrot, D banana. Which do you think is the odd one out? Which do you think is the odd one out from this? Mango, apple, and banana are the fruits, but only carrot is a vegetable. That means option C is the odd one out. Next question. 9. Option A cricket, B hockey, C football, D chess. Can you tell me which is the odd one out from this? Option A, B, C or D? Can you take a guess fast? As you can see, cricket, hockey, and football are the outdoor sport that is not played in the room, but it is played in outside the house, or we can say in the ground. But only a chess is a thing that can be played in the indoor, and it is played in the indoor. That means option D is a odd one out. Reading, writing, drawing, jogging. Which do you think is the odd one out from this? Apply your logic to find the odd one out and tell me which is the odd one out from this. Option A reading, B writing, C drawing, D jogging. There is three options are we do in indoor: reading, writing, and drawing. But for the jogging, you have to go the outdoor. That means option D is the correct answer. Train, aeroplane, C bus. Next MCQ. It is the next MCQ. Option A train, B aeroplane, C bus, D boat. Which do you think is a odd one out? It is also simple answer. Train, aeroplane, and bus are travel on the land and the air, but only boat is travel on the water. That means option D, boat is the correct answer. Again, next question: square, rectangle, cube, and triangle. Which do you think is a odd one out? Square, rectangle, cube, and triangle. First of all, square is this, rectangle is this, and cube is this. Wait a second, something. This is the cube, and triangle is this. Which is the odd one out from this? All these three are 2D object, and only cube is a 3D object. That means option, which option is the correct? Option C, cube is the correct answer. Eye, ear, hand, nose. Which do you think is the odd one out from this? Eye, ear, hand, and nose. Eye, ear, and nose are the sense organs, and hand is not sense organ. That means option C is the correct answer. Rose, lotus, tulip, the cactus. This is also simple. Which one do you think is odd one out? Option D, cactus, because rose, lotus, and tulip are the flowers, but cactus is not a flower. That means option D is the correct answer. Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Russia. Russia. Which one do you think is a odd one out? Can you tell me which one is a fun odd one out? Russia, because all these are the language used in the India, but Russia is a not a language; it is a country. And this is the homework for you. Take a screenshot of this, and in this you also have to find the odd one out among these options. Thank you for joining this lecture. Bye bye.